This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get testnet on MetaMask. Test networks are crucial for anyone building or experimenting with decentralized applications. They provide a safe environment to test functionalities and smart contracts without risking actual cryptocurrency. MetaMask makes connecting to these networks quite simple, offering a seamless experience for developers and users alike. We will explore 2 easy methods to add these networks to your wallet. First, let's look at the manual method. Open your MetaMask wallet and locate the network selection drop-down at the very top. Click on it, then choose Add Network. From there, select Add a Network manually. You will then be prompted to enter specific details like the network name, a new RPC URL, the chain ID, and the currency symbol. Ensure these details are accurate for the desired testnet. For an even easier approach, consider using chainlist.org. This website is a fantastic resource for quickly adding various EVM-compatible networks, including testnets, to your MetaMask wallet. Simply visit Chainlist, connect your MetaMask, and then search for the specific testnet you wish to add. With just one click on Add to MetaMask, the network details are automatically configured for you, saving significant time and effort. Once you have added your chosen testnet, always verify that it is selected in your MetaMask dropdown. To begin interacting, you will need testnet funds. These are not real cryptocurrencies, but free tokens obtained from a faucet specific to that testnet. Search online for the faucet of your chosen network, request some tokens, and you are ready to start testing decentralized applications without any financial risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.